Authorities have conducted over 200 operations against pivoted KTV outlets and illegal operations since last October. And that works out to an average of one a day. Law and Home Affairs Minister Shanmugam said this as he addressed questions on enforcement regime after a cluster involved KTVs emerged recently. And the operations uncovered nearly 60 infringements under the Public Entertainment Act and Liquor Control Act. Nearly 600 safe management measure breaches were found, and over 140 arrests made. Over 10% of the operations targeted unlicensed nightlife outlets, secretly operating at shophouses, industrial estates and office units. About 100 closure orders have been issued to F&B outlets. This includes 40 which had pivoted their business. 7 had their food licenses revoked. All pivoted outlets are currently in the midst of a 2-week suspension. Mr. Shanmugam says the legitimate ones will get help.
Agencies are working on the conditions that can be imposed, like CCTVs, various other conditions, over and above what's applied to F&B outlets. They will also have to consult with the AGC. Can we say no to an operator if we think it might be dodgy, even if the operators undertake to comply with the conditions? It's not so straightforward. Once these issues are assessed, MTF has to decide on whether the opening or reopening can be allowed.
The immigration status of KTV hostesses also came to the fore. Last October, authorities allowed girlfriends and boyfriends of Singaporeans to enter via the familial ties lane. But when the COVID situation in Vietnam worsened 4 months later, Singapore halted a unilateral opening arrangement and barred short-term visitors from the country. Applications for Vietnamese to enter under the boyfriend-girlfriend category shot up as a result. The category was removed soon after.
We looked at it, scratched our heads. The applications raised concerns because, I just give examples, several examples. There will be one Vietnamese applicant and multiple sponsors claiming to be the lady's boyfriend. There will be Singaporean sponsors, many who applied for multiple girlfriends. Sponsors who are unable to substantiate when we ask questions. What relationship do you really have with this person who is proposed to become sponsored?